Okay, so we're gonna do another game of Airsoft today. It's gonna be me and my brother versus my other brother way down there. Can't see him because I'm not showing him to you right now. Anyway, way down that way. I don't know if you can see him or not. Anyway, so he's coming after us with an H&K 52 machine gun. And we're going to be using spring-powered rifles and another machine gun to try and hold off this area here. So there's a piece of shit, but pretty good standpoint. So we're going to try and hold it down from him taking it over. Alright, if you look really closely. Hey, Colt, where are you at? There he is. Alright, so that's our target for today. Okay. Alright, let's get going. Alright, we're starting. Let's do this. What? Alright, you ready? Here he comes. I'm leading. Alright, hold your shot. He's shooting right at us. I'll go up here. I haven't hit him dead on, he ain't even doing nothing. Where's he at now? Mom, we can't let him take this. I know. Jump on there, hurry up. Get some shots on that fool. Here. Use this. Did we bring the black gun? Oh shit, we did. Sniper rifle. Oh, I left it up there. Me go get it? Nah, don't worry about it. Come on. Hell. It's jamming. This is the garbage clip. What? Alright, come on. Hop up there. Come on, hurry up. Is he already coming around? You'll see he's up there at the tree. Where'd he go? How if I know he can move? Oh, there he is. Right back behind the tree. Come on. Alright. He's gonna get the sniper rifle. Sniper rifle. Should I make him? Yeah, he's coming around. There he is, there he is! Alright.
Get him! Get him!
Hands up!
You surrender? Do you surrender?
I got crap all in my eye.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
I think that's one nice one takedown. That he didn't even get 2 takedowns.
No, actually it's yeah, never mind.
Stop talking. That was awesome.